Hey guys, Kyle Bradshaw here, and today I want to introduce you to something brand new from Icon Motorsports. This is a peak visor that goes onto the Airflite helmet. Now, as you've seen in some of my past videos when I'm riding with Suburban Delinquent or doing other off-road activities.
All right, today I'm here riding with Suburban Delinquent, the Kleb, and Jaeger Troop. I'm going to be taking out the trusty 1190 Steed and chasing down these very capable dirt bikes.
I've been using my Icon Airflite helmet. Now, I really like this helmet for the moto vlogging that I do. It's a really good looking helmet. I love the RST shields that it comes with, but riding off-road has been a challenge. This helmet has not been the best helmet for off-road riding. These glasses get fogged up really easy, and it allows me to not be able to see very well, and I crash pretty hard.
Oh, that's a good one. Kill switch. Whew. These glasses right here, freaking dangerous. Can't see anything with these things.
But just recently, Icon has released a new peak visor that will transform this helmet from a street helmet into a dirt helmet like that. Today I'm going to show you just exactly how that happens. Now, one thing I want to give Icon props for is the way that they've been able to make toolish shield replacement and removal. In the past, it's been a chore, but with the new Airflite helmet and their base plate setup, it's super simple. Now, the cool part about this is you got a pair of goggles in your backpack. You can stow this away pretty easy. So even if I'm traveling hundreds of miles to a destination, I can run this with the flight shield in place. When I get to where I'm going, I simply open this thing up, pull off the two side plates as I would if I was changing out the visor. I'm going to pull this all the way up, pop off the sides. It's that simple to get rid of the visor. So here's our peak. Our peak is simply going to set in place. I'm going to go like this so you can see. We're going to lift that up just like you would to install a shield and then kind of pull that down. And we'll do the same thing on this other side. Go and lift it up and put it down into place. We're then going to take each of our base plates, snap them into place, and we now have a motocross style helmet with a peak visor. This is going to be super convenient for riding off-road with guys when I get to my dual sport adventure location. Two helmets in one. It's really that simple. Remove the flight shield, put the peak visor on. With the peak visor installed and the flight shield removed, I can then take the goggle of my choice and pop it into place. Now I still have a really cool dirt bike setup. So now I can go out there, hammer the dirt, not worry about fogging glasses or goggles, have a great time getting roosted in the face with this nice roost deflector peak, and then when I get back to the street, I can easily swap this back out for the flight shield, and now I have a nice, quiet helmet to ride home in. Icon, I've got to give you props. The Airflite helmet has been a home run. I don't go anywhere. I can't stop at a gas station without being asked about this helmet. Where did I get it from? How much does it cost? Well, do I like it? I mean, this thing is a conversational piece, especially the inky graphic that I'm currently wearing. Man, people look at that, it's super bright, it's vibrant, it pops, and man, the comments that I get on that helmet are absolutely insane. But now, being able to wear this as a street helmet, and then with a single piece, be able to swap out from a face shield to a peak visor like that, it's phenomenal. This again is the Airflite helmet from Icon Motorsports. That's now two different helmets, a street setup or a dirt setup. Now, I've got tons of videos out there with me wearing this helmet. I've been in this helmet for about 10,000 miles now, and it's been a great helmet. I just retired it from the street as I'm now wearing the inky blue helmet. It's all wired up with all my GoPro stuff in it. Take a look at the how to install a GoPro into your Airflite helmet video. I've got that one out there too. But real quick before we go, let me jump into this helmet and show you what it looks like with the peak visor installed. Alright, so here's the peak visor installed on my Icon Airflite Fader graphic helmet. I can now take the goggle of my choice, pull it around to the back, and set it up here in the front. Perfect fitment. I give it a 2 thumbs up. This now gives me a badass moto setup to go out and hit the trails in. And there you go, that's what I got for you today. Full street, full dirt, ready to go. Now again, how easy it is to swap this back to my street helmet when I'm done riding in the dirt. Simply pull off my goggles. I could probably get to the point where I could do it while still wearing the helmet, but that's a little bit funky. I'll go ahead and pull my side plates off. Pop. And pop on this side. Go ahead and lift this all the way up into open position. Visor off, that simple. Now I'm going to take my flight shield, put it in place. This side does the same. I'm going to pop our plates back on. That side. And there you have it. Full flight shield installed. So if you want to run the street, boom, this is your option. If you want to run the dirt, boom, this is your option. A $35 part that gives you dual versatility, street versus dirt. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw today, give it a thumbs up. If you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, hit that subscribe button and more importantly, the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.